Okay, welcome back. It is day 190 of coding every day. I'm actually doing the recording before I code today just because the situation I'm in, it's better if I can just record right now, um, opposed to later, and then I can just code later and stitch them together. So I have no idea what I actually did today. Um, I assume it's just a leak code. I don't envision myself doing anything else than that, really. Um, yeah, just taking it easy today. Probably most weekends, unless yeah, I don't know where that product management tool is really going to go, to be honest. I haven't put any work into it since before I came down here. And this research is going to be a lot of work. So, yeah, and I don't know how much I'll actually be showing of the research. I don't know how much I can. I don't know if any of that's like restricted information. I have no idea. So yeah. Going to have to figure out that because it is kind of just boring to do one leak code for every single one of these videos. It's easier to follow, I guess, as a viewer, but I don't know. It also depends on like if I can't show what I'm doing for research and I'm coding every day, the most I'm going to be able to do is a leak code because I'm not doing more hours on top of the 8 hours of working on that research. So um, yeah, gonna have to figure that out in the next coming weeks. But yeah, so today will just be a leak code, and then probably the exact same thing tomorrow. I'll be back in my apartment tomorrow, so I don't know. Maybe I should probably map out that project and see where I am and where I want to go. I think the whole thing is the GitHub integration. There's so many moving parts to that. Maybe I should kind of, you know, approach that in a way that actually seems feasible and not just prompt engineering it. So I don't know. We'll see. But that's all I have for today. I will see you tomorrow for day um, 191. Yeah, take care. Bye.